Today I'm going to be reviewing ZABOUL's electric foot callus remover. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It comes with two different grinders on there. This is the less coarse one. Here's the more coarse. Also a little brush and charger. Absolutely amazing. I'm super impressed. I'm not going to scare you with my feet. They're disgusting, but I just took this over, just sat there waving it on there, getting all the dead skin off there, really ground it down. Much better looking. I probably have another hour's worth of work, or maybe I just cut my foot off, which just can't do. But I'm absolutely amazed. I guess it doesn't have much to do, but sometimes these products don't work well. This seemed to work really well. Now, of course, again, I just used the less coarse version, but it has two speeds here. You just do it right here. 1 and 2. And it also has the light so you can see how gross your feet look. 1 hour is going to get you about 80 to 100 minutes of usage. And if you have any issues, this has a lifetime warranty. Just call them up and they'll take care of you. This is something really good because it's an Amazon choice, which I love to see. It's got 4.5 stars, over 330 reviews, and last month, 1,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.